Okay, you guys know I'm on a keto craze, but look at what I made today. I made a steak, egg, and mushroom sandwich with a homemade keto bun. I just made this myself. Never made a bread before in my life. Awesome. Super awesome. I can't wait. I mean, I can't believe, look at that. It's a real bun. Can you believe that? Crazy. So I'm gonna make hamburger buns today, or really steak burger buns, because I got some steak left over from last night. I was gonna do it tomorrow for my hamburger, but I said, you know what? I haven't eaten yet. It's almost time for me to break my fast, so why not try it now? I had all the ingredients. I keep most everything that's needed for these keto recipes, just so I can have them on hand. Well, I will tell you the recipe calls for mozzarella. I just used all my mozzarella the other day, so I'm hoping that this cheddar will suffice. It'll probably come out like some of those cheddar baked biscuits at Red Lobster. Remember those biscuits? So who knows? And the recipe calls for 6. It calls it. All right, so the recipe calls for you to combine the 2 cheeses, the cream cheese and the cheddar cheese, since I didn't have any mozzarella. After that, I'm to combine it with the almond flour and then an egg. And again, I'm putting this recipe, cutting it in half, because I'm not doing 6 buns. I may do 3, or maybe if what I have only allows for 2 large buns, then I'll do that. And if it comes out great, then I'll make more tomorrow. So after you mix the cheeses together, you go ahead and mix the egg, and then it's time for you to mix your almond flour. After that, you create your buns. Okay, after I've got the almond flour in, I'm going to create the buns, the little balls, and then put them on the parchment paper. And then I'm going to brush them with an egg wash and some butter, and then sprinkle some sesame. I have black sesame and regular sesame, and then I also have this, so I'm going to use that. And then we'll see. I put it in the oven. Okay, the last step in this keto hamburger bun is I had to melt down some butter, and then put it in an egg wash. I used egg whites because, like I said, I'm only doing half a recipe, and I didn't want to crack another egg just to get a half of an egg white. All right, so I'm supposed to sprinkle this over top of the dough, like so. And then I'm going to brush it over. I hope these turn out good, because I can make a couple of these each week, because we're always eating something that needs a sandwich. And these are, here it is, guys, my first keto hamburger buns. I'm about to eat it with steak and mushrooms. Hope it comes out good.